Ticket man
Ito na.
Kaliso.
Pagkaling maka-excited ako.
Arlen.
Si Arlen. Dahil sa'yo kayo pa-alarm si Arlen.
Number 3 ako.
Makatulog si Arlen. Silent din yung cellphone. Bakon ninyo.
Look. Dahil basurahan.
Iduot lang, iduot.
Luto din nakita ko na mixer sa kape. Na manginom na sila din. Ignorante man kay ko, ana ko. Wala saon man ni din. Asa bang ana na suri jud kay ninyo sila wala mo sa bukid. Wala nang word wala na maestra giday ko. Kay tagalog sa maestra kay ana daw ang istorya wala sa bukid. Wala sa bukid. Kimiyot man tani. Kini ba ato ni Yagi? Kana kay punta. Dapat na siya. Yes. I get the chest. I got the chest. Princess, I guess.
Sa amin, walang bibili na ito. Ako may dito.
Will cleanse my face.
Ito, pakuha ni Divya na.
The sunscreen. Next is I'll put a primer. This is a Lady Primer. It's so dark. Yeah. So that kakapit talaga yung makeup. Okay.
Hindi na kayo para bang pilok?
Yes, I have like next is Sis Lady Foundation. Foundation. I'll blend now the foundation. Yang I'll blend. Yeah.
Di ba makita ito tagpoy ganito?
Nadas nada.
Food.
Aray. Next is I will also put out concealer. This is Face Lady Concealer. Anyway, I'm just having makeup right now because have a mag-outing pa ako. Sorry. So that's it. But so I think I will put a small amount of concealer. Oh my god. Wala nang laman. Uy! Pag ganun. Okay, here is it. Lalagyan ko lang naman yung may mga
Among the flow, flow, I love to dance. Mas kuwan yun dito rin. Mas dako itong road.
Nabra ang concealer. Perfect. So we'll blend now the concealer.
Nanobra siya like. Ano,
Concealer.
kaning kanang
Top.
shifting, di
Marami
ba?
akong eye bags, yes, like night shift ko.
Pila pa ka hours?
8 hours.
8 hours. Kasi saan ka sa garanong support?
Already done. Put yung concealer. Next is, what next? Next is I'll put a contour. This is for color. Color. Sa pag-pronounce.
Color.
Color. So, wala na to. Try na to.
Okay kaya.
Wala pa ako ah. Okay. Huh? Happened to my face.
Tingala ka tayo. Malimot ka blend sa imong contour.
And then, okay, I will blend my contour, but I will put a highlighter. Okay, I will blend it now.
Igong gab kay ano man i-airport na nga. Ay.
Okay, I will blend the contour. What happened to my face? Blend, blend, blend. Okay. Let me blend this one. Okay, so next is a pressed powder by Focalure.
Buti ko man.
Yep, ninay sa tawag makeup. Okay, next Face Lady eyeshadow. Bought this one shop. This one. I'll use the shade. I don't know the name. Yeah, pink. Done putting eyeshadow. Here is it. And also honey. I'm gonna throw the eyebrow in my eyebrow. As siya ang gumawa niyan. And next is Sales Lady Blush On. Try. Feel din akong baga ang blush on. Okay. Okay, and the next. I think, pantay ba? With the blush on. The blush on is so dark here. Ano ba? Okay, tagi. Oh.
Ayo. Wala ka naman din?
There I'm done with the blush on. Next is,
Ito mo isa.
here's not the final look. Okay, that's it.
At 3 p.m. Now, we'd like to ask especially those who are standing, taking pictures, seats, so we can clearly account if we still have available seats or need to set up additional ones. Gihangyo nga malingkod sa ta, so our organizers can account if at all. We need to have your full attention, your cooperation. We are trying to keep the solemnity of the event. And for those who just recently entered the hall, we have our vigorous PRC personnel giving instructions as to seats you may occupy.
The September 2023 Board Licensure Examination for Professional Teachers, PLEPT. So, you are a survivor. Congratulations! Secondly, I am calling you now, and you earned it. You can call yourselves now as the teachers of the 21st century. Are you? Okay. I don't think we can claim that. That was the time, during our time, when we had the Bachelor of Science in Education, Elementary Education, Bachelor of 2x2, etc. Marami. But in your case, you passed a curriculum, you hardened a curriculum and a licensure examination based on a new teacher education curriculum. And what does that mean? With
iniwan nga sa inyo ng mga cooperative teachers nyo yung mga estudyante na iyak ng iyak, hindi mapatahan. Di ba? Hanggang bathroom break.
Hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, orders and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical standards and professional roles of teachers in the Philippines and in the world, and that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized professional teacher. So help me God. Congratulations.
Sabi na ko sa camera.
Lain man. Balik.
Oh, si Mama. Nasa.
Colors for today's momentous event. We cannot thank you.
kayo. Dili mana.
Hi guys, nice meet you.
Dili magkita kong no.
Ikaw, si Arlene.
Now serving table number 1213, please.
Usog lang pa nilo tubig.
Now serving table number 1213, please.
Pwede ba sa ikaw? Arlene. Madam. Ba't kaya?
Ay, TikTok ka rin ito.
Ay, gana nga, magkatawag ko. Nabugabo, naka-atar na.
Nalimot ko.